Hello friends, hope you guys are doing well. So today we are having a good opportunity for you, Italy Student Exchange Program. So in this opportunity, I will tell you the all details about this exchange program. It's a fully funded program. Okay. So here we have our YouTube channel interface, MK Helpdesk. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, so subscribe it. If you already subscribed, then continue to the video. Okay, so watch this video till the end. I will share some tips in the end of this video. Okay, so let's move to this video. So today's opportunity is Italy Student Exchange Program 2022. It's a fully funded opportunity. So I will tell you the all details about this program. So this Italy Student Exchange Program 2022. The Student Exchange Program in Italy will be held at the European University Institute. Okay. So basically, these type of exchange programs are organized by many countries. The motive of these countries are for organizing these type of exchange program is to their cultures and history. Okay. Uh, so here we also having the talented and young student across the world, and they will exchange their culture and history. Okay. uh, so if we talk about the eligibility, then all nationalities are eligible, and here we will also get to know more details about this program. So contribution program will also focus on contribution to policy, innovation and political change. Okay, as I told you before that these cultural, political and historical change and the deeply knowledge, getting the deeply knowledge and exchange that knowledge between cultures. So that's why these type of programs are organized. So actually the duration of this course is program is 5 to 10 months, and this program is going to happen in Florence, uh, city of Italy. Uh, and now we move for the details about Italy student exchange program. So hosting country is Florence, Italy. University name is European University Institute. The duration of this program is 5 to 10 months. If we talk about then financial coverage, then it's a fully funded. All your expenses will be covered, and the deadline of this program is 25th January 2022. Okay, so now we will see the financial coverage. So if we talk about financial coverage, then it's a fully funded program, as I already told you. The basic grant is 2500 euro per month, household allowance 300 euro per month. Okay, and an allowance per month for each dependent child 200 euro per month, round trip airfare from your home country to this location. Okay, the duration, now we will talk the exact duration of this program. Then the duration of this program is if we talk about 5 months duration, then it will start from September 2022 to January 2023. Next term will start from February 2023 to January 2023. If we talk about the 10 months program, then it's start from September 2022 to January 2023. And eligibility criteria: who is eligible for this exchange program? People, all nationalities are eligible. People belonging to civil services, media, politics, non-governmental organization are also eligible. Okay, so curiosity driven individuals are preferred. Early or mid career professionals who exhibit professional experience and potential for future development. Okay, so now we will talk about the required documents. Required documents is a CV in PDF format, letter of motivation, maximum 100 words in PDF format should be. It should cover your interest, translation policy issue, and your ambitions and reason for applying there. Work plan with title, maximum of highest educational certificate, one letter of reference, work sample including either report, article, blog post. Okay, all documents should be in PDF format. The deadline of this opportunity is 25th January. Okay, and And now we will talk how to we can apply for this opportunity. So I will share you the official web link of this opportunity in a description box. You can go through that link and you can apply from there. I will also show you the interface of that official website. And if you are having any doubt regarding this program, then you can contact me in comment box. And if you are also want to ask something about this exchange program, then you can also connect me with me on our comment box. So now I'm sharing you the interface of official website. So see, here is this web. So you can see European University Institute and then about academics and all. So this is the interface of European University Institute. So you can directly apply from this site. I will mention that this website in comment box as well in description box also. Okay. So thank you for watching. In future, I will share these type of opportunity on my channel. So please do subscribe this channel if you didn't subscribe till now. Okay. Thank you so much.